If you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2026 and EAFC 25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance activities. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the EAFC 25 completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the servers and may resolve temporary issues causing the error. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or switching to a wired connection. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console and plugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the cache by deleting temporary files or using the disk cleanup tool. Step 5. Update game and system. Make sure that both your game and console or PC are updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates and install them, as these can often fix bugs and improve connectivity. By following these steps, you should be able to address the Matchmaking Error 2026 and EAFC 25. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.